Welcome back. Finally we have blue sky in Wales. Finally, after many days it was raining all the time. Look at this today, but soon gonna rain, so let's go up here. So we are there. No time to go up to Yegarn. Devil's Kitchen, Gliders, and Trifon. Sorry for our language, I'm not Welsh, so because we don't have much time before the rain is coming. 40-50 miles per hour wind. I think I'm gonna camp somewhere there. Nice view for the valley. Nice view for Pen 11, and of course Tetri fun. This is my Alpkit Tetri. And there is still the big tent, 2% tent, but so strong, really strong. As you can see, the ground is not the best, but that's fine. Ventilation, just I want to fix it. To hold the camera, yeah, steady, it's not gonna go nowhere. It's really big and spacious. Some vestibule, so you can see other side as well. And I have some ground sheet plus the tent. And look at this inside. Lots of space. One big pocket, small pocket. Other side pocket, small pocket. And they have the clips, and the airflow is going easily. It's not straight enough. I think I need to pull the clip somewhere on the side, but this one just so good. I walked around 130 pounds and I use many times on my journey. Still hot for me. So yeah, we didn't have chance to go up Yegarn because, to be honest, a couple of days ago I injured my ankle, just twisted my ankle, so, and it's pretty painful. But I didn't want to go home because you're not coming every day here, so I just want to stay and enjoy. And then if I cannot go to the top, I'm just going around a little bit, hiking halfway up, and then just enjoy. So yeah, this is my Alpkit tent, and I have to tell you something, I just love it. Really nice tent. I'm gonna show you maybe the other gears what I have. I cook something because I'm so hungry, you know. I already pick up the water, as you can see, so I don't need to go down again. And look at this view, absolutely beautiful. Boiling up the water to drink a coffee or something. So yeah, I will show you just inside. Little mat over here, my stuff. Coming in. My DJI stuff, Alpkit rain jacket, Alpkit Kraku, Alpkit Evos head torch, Alpkit pillow, some warmer cloths mountain, and then the rub stratosphere air 5.5 air value. Oh yeah, and then a sleeping bag. Alpkit Cloth Peak 400, very warm. Hydropack water filter, Hydropack water what I bring from the stream. So yeah, Osprey backpack, which is absolutely love it. Oh yeah, and the mug, if you can see, Alpkit as well. So that's it. Nothing serious actually, just simple things, but it's quality stuff. So it's raining, heavy rain, wind, you know, in the mountains, and this tent is brutal, really good. Probably this is today the last day. I have to go back to work, so last day today. Try to enjoy. Good morning, everyone. This was a good sleep. A little bit chilly, cold, but I didn't record it too much yesterday evening because I did some food and then just went sleep. Need to start packing. Was a little bit windy, rain, but the tent hold really well. It's no problem at all. You just can't believe. Look at this. Lovely sunshine. And getting warm inside, so yeah. Not freezing anymore because I'm not in the sleeping bag. Yeah, let's go outside. So what I always do, sponge and cleaning them. The water drops from the tent and easily gonna dry out after that, especially if you get some sunshine, because I don't wanna put away when it's wet. It's gonna help it to dry out. Pull down and pack. See? And always leave no trace. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.